What if I told you Bitcoin could hit $100,000 before the year ends? Tom Lee of Fundstrat believes it's not just possible, but inevitable. Stay tuned as we uncover the shocking reasons behind this explosive prediction and why 2024 might be the year Bitcoin changes everything. Welcome back to the channel where we decode the biggest news shaping our financial future. Today we're diving deep into a prediction that has sent shockwaves through the crypto community. Could Bitcoin really explode to $100,000 in 2024? Fundstrat's Tom Lee, a renowned Wall Street strategist, says it's not just a dream, it's a realistic possibility. Let's explore why Bitcoin might be on the verge of a historic explosion. Grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's dive in. Before we get into Tom Lee's bold prediction, let's set the stage. Bitcoin, the king of cryptocurrencies, has been around for over a decade, surviving booms, crashes, and everything in between. But this year, 2024, is shaping up to be a landmark moment for Bitcoin. Tom Lee believes Bitcoin could hit $100,000 by the end of this year. Sounds crazy, right? But the reasoning behind this prediction is based on solid data and market trends. Today, we'll explore institutional adoption, the 2024 halving event, global economic uncertainty, and the growing mainstream acceptance of Bitcoin. Let's start with the first key factor, why the big players in finance are finally taking Bitcoin seriously. Over the past couple of years, institutional adoption has been one of the biggest drivers of Bitcoin's growth. Companies like BlackRock, Fidelity, and Vanguard are no longer dismissing Bitcoin as a speculative asset. They're actively embracing it, with Bitcoin ETFs now paving the way for everyday investors to get in on the action. Here's why this is a big deal. When institutions like BlackRock pour billions into Bitcoin ETFs, they're essentially giving Bitcoin their stamp of approval. This opens the floodgates for trillions of dollars in investments, pushing the demand for Bitcoin through the roof. Tom Lee emphasizes that this level of institutional adoption could create a domino effect, where Bitcoin becomes a staple asset class in global portfolios. And when demand rises faster than supply, you know what happens to the price. The second major factor behind this prediction is Bitcoin's halving event, scheduled for April 2024. If you're new to Bitcoin, here's what this means. Roughly every 4 years, the reward miners receive for creating new Bitcoins is cut in half. Why does this matter? Because it reduces the supply of new Bitcoins entering the market. Historically, every halving event has triggered a massive bull run. Let's take a look. In 2012, Bitcoin jumped from $12 to $150. In 2016, it surged from $650 to $20,000. And after the 2020 halving, we saw it hit an all-time high of $69,000. Visuals, chart showing past Bitcoin halving events, and price surges. Tom Lee believes the 2024 halving could be the biggest one yet, given the current market conditions. With a supply crunch and soaring demand, Bitcoin could be poised to hit $100,000, or even higher. Let's talk about the global economy, which has been on shaky ground lately. From rising inflation to unstable fiat currencies, people are searching for safe havens to protect their wealth. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, is stepping into this role. Unlike traditional currencies that can be printed endlessly, Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins. It's deflationary by design, making it an attractive alternative for those losing faith in fiat currencies. In countries dealing with hyperinflation, Bitcoin is already being adopted as a store of value. And as global economic uncertainty continues, more investors are likely to turn to Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation. The final factor driving Tom Lee's prediction is the shift in market sentiment. Bitcoin is no longer a niche asset for tech geeks and early adopters. It's going mainstream, with endorsements from financial giants, governments, and even celebrities. Did you know countries like El Salvador and the Central African Republic have made Bitcoin legal tender? And with Bitcoin ATMs popping up worldwide, it's becoming easier than ever to use Bitcoin for everyday transactions. As more people embrace Bitcoin, its price will likely rise due to the sheer volume of new investors entering the market. The mass adoption phase is here, and it's fueling the next big rally. Of course, not everyone agrees with Tom Lee's prediction. There are risks to consider: regulatory crackdowns, price volatility, and the possibility of a market correction. Bitcoin has always been a high-risk, high-reward investment. While the potential for $100,000 is exciting, it's important to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So what do you think? Could Bitcoin really explode to $100,000 in 2024, or are we looking at another overhyped prediction? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for instant updates on the crypto world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.